Since 1979, our core business has been loading products into cases. Our compact, small footprint case packers, erectors, sealers, and product handling systems adapt seamlessly to diverse layouts and products. Every system is fully assembled and tested right here in Waco, Texas, so when it arrives at your facility, it's ready to run. We don't just deliver a machine, we deliver a partnership. With user-friendly HMIs, simple changeovers, and operator training built into every installation, Fallas machines are designed to require less training, less stress, and less intervention. When you need us, our experienced service technicians are ready, remotely or on-site, to quickly diagnose and resolve issues so your line stays running. We build machines that last for decades, and we stand behind them just as long. Fallas delivers fully integrated case packing systems. Whatever your product, your layout, or your challenge, we have the solution you've been looking for. The G400 Gravity Case Packer offers a straightforward, reliable solution for loading flexible and liquid bags into RSC cases, totes, or crates. Built with stainless steel for washdown in harsh environments and backed by decades of proven performance in facilities around the world. The Adabot pick-and-place system handles a complete range of bag sizes and packs deep cases with precision, placing product anywhere in the case with customizable pack patterns. One Adabot handles rates up to 75 bags per minute. When your production grows, simply add a bot with support for up to 3 cells working in tandem. The Adabot LV packs retail-ready vertical stand-up and lay-flat products on a single machine with simple changeovers that keep your line moving. The R700R handles rigid and semi-rigid trays and cartons at high speeds on the proven Adabot platform. The R400 is a trusted single servo-axis robot for tall, heavy product including trays, rigid cartons, and gable-top bags. The Visibot picks and places product on the fly at speeds up to 100 bags per minute using a vision-guided Delta 3 robot to accurately handle inconsistent or skewed products with customizable pack patterns and a multi-lane conveyor that eliminates the need for product combining. Fallas offers fully integrated case erectors, case sealers, and support equipment, including bag flippers, turners, combiners, diverters, pattern formers, vibrators, and weighers, designed to seamlessly complete your packaging line from sealed product to sealed case. We deliver a true turnkey system, including product handling, conduit, wiring, e-stops, and controls, saving valuable time on installation and getting your line up and running faster. Our case packing systems are designed to optimize line performance and keep your operation running smoothly from start to finish. At Fallas, we measure our success by yours. From concept to installation and every shift that runs after, our team is here. Knowledgeable people who give you answers quickly, spare parts in stock, shipped within 24 hours, in plant and over the phone service whenever your line needs it. We're not just building machines for today, we're investing in smarter, simpler automation so your operators worry less, your line runs better, and your business is successful every day. See what Fallas can do for your line at fallasautomation.com.